Hey everyone, so it's your girl Beauty the Right Way. How are you guys? I know it's been so long. It's been like what? Almost 2 years. I know. So long story short, I had a baby who is 2 years now. Got a house in Jersey. Been moving all over the place. I've been working all crazy hours. And guess what? In between that time, it's been hard to waist train and stuff. I just been like, get up and go, get up and go. But now I have a wedding to plan, so my body has to be legit. So I'm back on it. So let me just show you guys my body now after having a baby and all this retarded stuff. Having a baby is a blessing. It takes a lot of patience with your body because not only did I have a baby, I had a C-section. So for mothers who usually have a C-section, they know that your body is not going to snap back like the rest of the world. And whoever said it will, lied to you, shorty. It's okay. So yes, I gained. My weight was up and down. I don't know if it's because of birth control or what. My weight is really up and down. One day I'm losing weight, one day I'm not. So currently I'm not on birth control. I gained some weight. You can't really tell, but hey, let me show you. So, boom. Back this thing up a little bit. Okay, this is me. This is my stomach. Let me go up. You see the side? Got a little pudgy there. Okay. This is my back. Okay. Stomach. Okay. Boy, so did I gain weight? Yes. I'm not that bad. You can't really tell, but whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna do some unboxing. There's this new product that I found on Instagram. It's called Body Completers. So I saw Delicious. I don't know if you guys know her. She's from Flavor of Love. She's the one with the pretty dimples. But yeah, she's lost so much weight. I was just wondering how, like, just how. So she's been promoting this product, and I'm really big on not really trying products that celebrities use. But I saw other people reviewing it. So far, pretty good reviews. So I received it in the mail today at work. So it's called Body Completers. Haven't opened it yet. It came in this nice, pretty packaging though. And then check this out. So let's unbox it. Okay. Boom. So when you get it up, okay. What a way to a good start. This is what it looks like when you open it. It's like a cute little pamphlet right here. My receipt. Haha, guess who's coming in? Hey, buddy. I'm gonna say hi to the camera. Say hi.
Hi.
And this is my wonderful 2-year-old. Back to unboxing. So this is what it is. Now you're wondering, what are these 3 products? So this one is HCG drops. Now this one is really supposed to curb your appetite. You're supposed to take 10 drops under your tongue, hold it there for 20 seconds, and then swallow. They recommend you taking this every time you eat. Now, this one, it's called B12 drops. This is some healthy vitamins that you should be taking. It helps give like good energy. Keep your energy up to speed. Now this, I heard hydrators like you're lucky to go. This is the Slim ER with Energy Booster. It contains Garcia, coffee bean, Garcia, Cambodia, raspberry ketones, green coffee bean, everything you can read so you know what you're putting in your body. Now this together, you're supposed to take this twice a day. For best results, take 20 to 30 minutes before each meal. So now they recommend this slim kit if you're trying to lose like 20 pounds, and that's really my goal. Now that's 1 month supply. Now if you want to do 2 months supply, then they recommend you to do 2 if you want to lose more than 20 pounds. But yeah, so I'm gonna give this a try. I'm gonna start tomorrow, and I'm definitely gonna give you guys an update. I probably give you guys a tour of my house too. Well, not this one, the one in Jersey, because I know it's been a while, you guys. But I did miss you. I just felt like I had to do this video to just show you guys I'm still here at heart. So have a great day, you ladies.